Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at the steps to change the default search engine on your web browser to ChatGPT search. So if you had enough results on Google and Bing is not an option, it is now possible to change the default search engine to the new ChatGPT search. And you can do this on Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Arc, Brave, and on virtually in any Chromium-based browser. You can do this in two ways. First, you can use the ChatGPT search extension from OpenAI that helps you to replace Google search on your browser, or you can manually make the changes in the browser to set the new default search engine. Okay, let's dive into the steps. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, let's look at the steps using the extension from OpenAI. So to start, open the web browser that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome. So I'm just going to open Start and look for Chrome. And then you're going to go to this page in the Chrome Web Store. And from here, just click the Add to Chrome button. Click the button again. If you want, you don't have to, but you can pin this so you can have access to the extension right on the top right corner. And now, when you open a new tab, you're going to see that the new tab page no longer includes a search box. So now the search is going to happen only on the address bar. And here you can just type your search query, for example, enable hibernation on Windows 11. And that will actually open the search experience from ChatGPT. Now, the steps for any Chromium-based web browser will technically be the same, but let me show you the experience on Microsoft Edge. And you can go to the same page from Web Store, and you can click the Get button or the Get extension button that appears at the top of the page. Then click the Add extension. And here's the only thing that's different. You may have to turn on the extension manually after installing it. So for that, you can click the button to turn it on, or you can open the extensions page, then turn on the ChatGPT search extension. Now let's look at the manual way to change the search engine of your web browser to ChatGPT search. But first, I need to remove the extension from the browsers. And on Chrome, I'm just gonna open extensions and I'm going to remove this. Now, to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to type this path on Chrome and then press enter. However, one thing that I wanted to point out is that you can actually use the same path on any Chromium-based browser. So for example, I'm in Edge and I can use the Chrome settings search engines path, and that will take me to the same page on Microsoft Edge. Now, the same is true if we use Brave or if we use the Arc browser. Now, on this page, under Site Search, click the Add button. For name, we're just going to use ChatGPT. For the shortcut, we're going to use Add ChatGPT. For the URL, we're going to use this path. Don't worry, I have a link on the video description that you can use that includes all the steps, and you can copy also the link from that particular page. Then click the Add button. And now we have a shortcut for ChatGPT right here. So technically, if you don't want to change the default search engine, you can still use ChatGPT by using Add ChatGPT and type your search query. Let's repeat the same search that I did before, enable hibernation on Windows 11. Now we're getting a response from the search feature on ChatGPT. But this is just one way that we can do this. Now, what we want to actually do is to make ChatGPT the default search engine. And as you can see right here, there's not an option to add additional search engines. However, even though it might not be too obvious, one thing we can do is just to click this button right here, and then we can choose the Make Default option, and that will make ChatGPT the default search engine on your browser. So now if we open a new tab, we're going to see that we no longer have the search box on the new page. However, you can see that the icon has changed on the address bar. And from here, we can actually use ChatGPT to search online. And just as an example, I'm just going to type how to install Windows 11 on an empty hard drive. And now the search is going to happen on ChatGPT. And that's it. That's basically how you change the search engine to ChatGPT search on pretty much every Chromium-based browser. Now, if you happen to use Microsoft Edge, the steps are going to be virtually the same, but I wanted to show you that I can do the same thing. So on the same page, in this case, Edge settings search engine, but like I said, you can also use Chrome and it will take you to the same page. You can click the add button, and from here, we're just going to name this ChatGPT, and for shortcut, we're going to use add ChatGPT, and for the URL, we're going to use this, and then just click the add button. And then ChatGPT is going to appear right here. Then click this button and select the make default option. And now when you open a new tab, when you type a search query, that should actually take the query to ChatGPT. However, I don't think I'm logged in into this web browser, so I'm just going to get a response from ChatGPT. But if you want to access the search functionality, you actually have to be logged on with a free or a paid account. Also, remember that even though ChatGPT search is available for free, if you don't have the ChatGPT Plus subscription, you're going to be limited on the number of searches that you can do every so often, usually every 3 hours. Now, if you have the Plus subscription, you're going to be able to do more searches. However, you will still be limited on the number of searches that you can do pretty much every 3 hours. Now, if you want to restore your previous settings, you just need to open the search engines page and just choose the search engine that you want to use. And the same thing on Google Chrome. And that's it. Those are 2 ways that you can use to change the default search engine on your web browser from Google or Bing to ChatGPT search. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to use ChatGPT search on your web browser. Like the video, share it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.